Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how we can create a port channel or interface bonding in Cisco switch. First we are going to log into our Cisco switch. I am logged in. I'm going to configure the terminal. I'm going to create a interface name as port channel 2. I'm going to set the description of that port channel. And the switch port mode of that port channel will be trunk, and I am allowing some VLANs for that trunk port. Now I am going to configure the interfaces which will be connected with my server. My server will be connected with port 3 and 4, and I will configure these two ports. The configuration of single ports will be as same as the port channel. The switch port mode will be trunk. This port will be the member of port channel 2, and the same VLANs will be allowed which we did earlier with the interface port channel. We have to set the channel group number and the mode inside the interface configuration. We have to do the same configuration for both the ports. Port configurations are done. And my server is already connected with port 3 and 4. Interfaces are up, and my port channel interface is also up. So this is how you can create a port channel in Cisco switch. That's it for today. Please subscribe to my channel.